Hi, in this video I am going to teach you how to make AC drawing for a small villa. This villa is in Dubai. Let me give you some information before to start the drawing. Like this, we receive drawing from the consultants like this. For example, this is, I don't know, this is plumbing layout, I think. Okay, this is architectural layout. Like this we receive. This is ground floor. This is first floor, and then we have roof floor as well. Why we need roof floor? Roof floor we need for outdoor units and copper pipes. This is what I get from consultant. Now what you have to do, you have to remove all extra text from here like this. Remove this one, square meters and the size of the room. Remove everything, just keep the name, doors and walls already is there, and change the full drawing color into color 8. Okay, this is very important before to start AC drawing. Okay, like this. Here I did already just to save time, otherwise video will go too long. This is majlis, this is hall. So what I keep only the room names, walls and doors are there. Okay, and I change the color of everything into color 8. Okay, like this. You can check the color here, color 8. Okay, after do this one, after finish this, you can start your drawing. Now we have to start from here, from the majlis. Regarding this project, the client give me freedom. You can select the machines, the tonnage and routing, everything. Okay, so I am the one who has to design everything here. So let's start from the majlis. Before to select the machine, how many ton required here, we need the square meter. Okay, approximate 12 square meter. I always use 1 ton. Okay, area, let's calculate the area of the majlis. This I calculate with area command, enter. It's 27 square meters. 27 square meters, we can use 2.5 ton. Here I have machine already. 2.5 ton. You can make your machine in the toilets. Oh, what is the reason we keep our machine in the toilet? Because while service, if in future is there any problem in the machine, what we do, it's very easy to open the ceiling and we can repair our machine, and also it's good for cleaning purpose also. And the most important, what is the most important benefit for this one, we can avoid sound. If we put machine in the rooms and or in the main corridors, then the sound will be in this part. So if it's in toilet, not a problem, the sound will stay in the toilet only, there is no disturbance in the room. Okay, so this is the reason why we keep machine in toilet. Okay, so like this. So we keep machine here. 2.5 ton required for this area. 2.5 ton, how many CFM will be? 1 ton equal to 400 CFM. So 2.5 ton mean 1000 CFM. Okay, so we need 1000 CFM here in this part. And another important thing I want to tell you, you want side grills here. Okay, side grills, in in technical terms what we call it, linear bar grill. Okay, linear bar grill. Okay. So let's get start. Now first of all we have to make the bulkhead in the ceiling. The width of the bulkhead, I mean the distance from wall to the bulkhead, we have to decide. Because why we have to decide? Because we have duct size here, we have to pass duct size. The other companies, ceiling companies, don't know what is the requirement of duct. I mean, they don't know what is the size of duct will pass through here, so they cannot decide the bulkhead. So we have to give our our minimum requirement, so they have to follow that one. Okay, for example, I make 80 centimeter. This drawings in centimeters, like this 80 centimeter. Okay, 80 centimeter I make distance. Why I make 80? I can make smaller also, because this machine is small, the duct will be smaller. But here we have big machine. Why we need machine here? Because we don't have bathroom or toilet in this area to serve this hall and this corridor as well. Okay, that's why I need to keep one machine here also. Its duct will pass through here in this area. Okay, so let's finish this one first. This 1000 CFM, we have to go duct sizer. If you don't know how to calculate duct size, you can go one of my video down. There I already teach how to calculate the duct size. Okay, now here we have 1000 CFM. Just write down here 1000 CFM. Keep in mind, in units we are using IPS US units. If we are using these units, the value we will get, this will be in inches. Okay, CFM, for example, we have 1000 CFM. Head loss we have to use always if our machine is less than 5 ton. So use always 0.05. This is standard head loss accepted by ASHRAE or any authority. Now I make the head loss already. Now the duct size. So our duct size mean here we have to give the height of the duct. Okay, we have to give height. The standard height, if our machine is less than 5 ton, we can use 14 inch or 12 inches. Okay, but in the here I will use 12 inch only, because this is only 2.5 ton. If I use 12 inch height, the duct size I am getting, this is 18 inch. 18 inch, 18 inch if we convert into centimeters, that will be 45 centimeters, and we have to write the size in the drawing in millimeters, so we will write 450 by 300. Okay, that's clear. Let's go and draw your duct here. Now before to make mouth connection, keep in mind your duct is passing which direction. Okay, your duct is going this direction, so this direction makes straight line. First line, straight line from the mouth connection, make 40 centi mouth connection. Even 50 also not a problem, so I will make 40. Now we have the width of the duct is 45. Okay, 45. This drawing is in centimeters, so I'm following centimeters, but the size we have to write in duct size, we have to write in millimeters, because only millimeters accepted. Here in Dubai, change the bulkhead color, any color, so we have to follow everywhere the same color. Now make straight line like this, like this. This is our straight duct and this is mouth connection. Okay, so we have to go this direction. We have two methods here. First of all, we can make offset like this. See, it's 45, so make offset 45 like this, and then we can make straight like this, and then offset 45 like this. Now we have to connect with these two. Shift it little down, because we have enough space here, but the distance between these two lines is 45 only. Okay, so now this is elbow 45. We can say elbow 45. Here will be the elbow 45. How to make elbow 45? The total width of the duct divided into 2. So this is 45. So what we will get? 22.5. So here you have to make fillet 22.5. Okay, just press F, F enter, R enter, 22.5 like this, and then make offset 45. Simple. If this is not touch to this one, just make a line and trim this one, just for reference only, and trim this one. Okay, like this. Now from the corner of this fillet to the corner of this fillet, corner of this fillet to the corner of big fillet. Okay, now here also same, fillet, offset, trim. Sorry, here is something wrong, so no problem, just make a reference line and delete it like this. Like this. Now this will be straight piece, and this is elbow 45, and this is also elbow 45. Okay, we can make the 90 also, but this is better, no need to make too much zigzag here. So like this is great, so air can pass through easily. Okay, now what we have here, we have 1000 cfm total we have to throw in this majlis. How many cfm? We have 1000 cfm. Okay, just take a text here, for example, make this smaller, 0.5, the room, make it smaller. We have 1000 cfm, so we need two supplies, 500 cfm one supply and 500 cfm one supply. So how we will calculate the length of the duct, supply? So I already explained that we need here linear bar grills. Okay, to calculate linear bar grills, I have a value that we calculate CFM divided. I will give you the value now, how to calculate the grill. Okay, just go to calculator. I don't want to explain in words, let's do it practically. So we have two supplies. Okay, we have 500 cfm to each supply. So for example, we need supply length, this is 500 cfm divided into 745. This is the value I get from Airmaster catalog, so always follow this one. And one more thing I want to explain you. If we make linear slot grill, linear bar grill in gypsum, so keep in mind the height of the grill will be 6 inches. And if we do linear bar grill in the wall, the height will be 8 inches. But here we have in gypsum side grill, so we will use 150. So if we need 150 height, you have to calculate your CFM divided into 745. You will get your value or length of your grill in meters. Okay, press enter. So we get 0.67, it means 67 centimeters. So we will go through, we will make it 700. Okay, 3 centi up down, not a problem. So make a offset, keep 50 centi distance from each grill. I make 50 centi distance, and now from here our grill will start towards this direction and this direction. Okay, now our grill size is 70 or 700 mm. Make a line, let's draw your grill like this. There are so many ways, so many draftsmen draw grill in different way, but I have very simple method. This is also acceptable. Make offset 10 centimeter out, just to show off. And here also you can make offset 10 centimeter and make a neck piece here like this. Okay, like this, and remove this one also, this line. So this is neck piece, and then we have our grill. So one is done. Now we need another grill. Just copy this one, take it from the center and put it here, keep it here. So we have two grills, two supply and two returns. Now we need a reducer here. Here we have 1000 cfm, but here we have 500 cfm. Let's write the duct size also, so that it will be very clear. Just write SAD supply air duct. SAD supply air duct. Our size of the duct is 450 by 300 and write down your CFM also. We have 1000 CFM like this. Rotate and move it here. It's smaller. Okay, now here we have 500 CFM. So this is straight duct, this is straight duct, but here what we are going to make, that is called reducer. Okay, we will make a reducer to reduce the duct size. So we have now 500 CFM. Go to 500. So 12 by 11, or we can say 12 by 12. So it means 12 inches. If we make 2 centimeters, so 30 centimeters. Okay, so this duct will be 30 centimeter now, 30 by 30. So make a reducer length 35, for example, 35, and then reducer will be then our duct is 30, means 300 mm. Make a line like this, remove this, now this side. Copy this one, make it here. This is very big, looking very big. So you can, you can shift this one bit here and make it in the center, so it looks nice. Okay, just make a line like this, like this. Here I have one issue. Oh my god, we make mistake. This distance and this distance should be same. Okay, so how we can get, for example, I take one reference line and I move it here. This is reference, so this grill should be here. Okay, so that it should look symmetry like this. This is gone somewhere, it should be here. Okay, like this. So this distance and this distance should be same. So this duct will be extended now until here, and close it like this. Now this supply is done. Now we need a return. Make these two lines and I make offset, mirror, and then offset 10 centimeter. Close the line and then mirror like this. Change the color of the return into red. So now we can write here also two numbers, make small letters, two numbers, SAR, two numbers, SAR, supply air register. In supply grill we call register in technical words. Supply air register and RAG, return air grill. And then size is 700 by 150. The size of the grill is 700 by 150. And how many CFM we have for each? We have 500 CFM each. Make a rectangle just to highlight and give it yellow color. Just make it a bit smaller like this, so it looks nice. Okay, now what is next? Now we have to make arrows. Just copy paste arrows, supply arrows, and return arrows like this. And take this one also, this is return arrows. And here, arrow here. Okay, like this. So now we need liner here, okay, to control the sound. The liner thickness is 2.5 centimeters, in mm 25 mm. Okay, make offset 25. Oh, sorry, this is in centimeters, so we will make 2.5, like this, like this, like this, up to here. Okay, no need to go next, this is enough until here. So change the color into yellow and make a dotted line if possible for you. If you keep like this, then also no problem. Make any dotted line and match with this, to this, like this. So this is called liner. Okay, to control the sound, we install liner. The total length of the liner from the machine should not be more than 3 meters. So up to 3 meter is enough. No need to make more than 3 meter. Okay, so this area is done. We make our machine duct supply and the description for the supply. So this is done. So next we have this hall. Why we want to keep machine here for the hall? Because we don't have bathroom here or any space to install. If we don't have space here, we can think we can install in the corridor, but with the permission of client only. We cannot decide by ourselves. So we want a machine here, because if we have machine here, so always there will be sound here, little bit sound will be there. Okay, so that when the people come and go up down, coming down, so always they will see sound in this part. So we have space here, we will utilize this space, no need to use this corridor. Now here, let's see, now this machine will serve this area, the corridor area, and then hall. One machine will serve hall and corridor area. Okay, let's calculate the area first. Use area command. From here to here, like this, up to here. How much area we have? 30 square meter. So we need 3-ton machine here, and 1 ton we can use for this area. Okay, we can say 300 cfm we will throw here and balance here. So we need 2.5 ton here, but I am recommending more than 3 ton for this part. Okay, so let's take the machine. 3-ton machine length approximate 130 or 140 centimeter the width. Now here we have 124, it's nearby, even we can make a little bigger, 1.1. This is 137. Yeah, this is acceptable. The size of the machine depend on the units, what the unit he want. Here he want Mitsubishi, so I know the Mitsubishi approximate sizes, so I'm following that one. So place your machine here. Keep in mind your machine should not, your machine distance of your machine should not be less than 30 centimeter from the wall. Okay, this is wall. If we check this one, so we have 40 centimeters, that is okay. These are low height walls, this does not matter. Okay, this is matter, this is matter back wall, but the side is down low height wall, so no problem for this one. So here we have 4 ton, so write down here 4.0 tr. So name we will do later when we do the copper pipe. Now let's draw the duct for this one. If I make it little back more, because 40 we have 40, so I keep 5 centi more, I take it back. Oh my god, 5 centi only, 5 centi, go back, because I need elbow here, 90 elbow, so I just want more space in this part. Okay, now 4 ton. So 4 ton mean 1600 cfm. Write down 1600 cfm. Here I want to use 14-inch height. We have 80 or 70. This bulkhead what we make up to here is 80 cm. Okay, I will use 12 also, no problem. 12-inch height. So we have 26. If we convert 26 into centimeters, let's go. 26 multiply 2.54. So 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, calculate. So we get 66. So we can say 650 or 65. Okay, so duct size will be 65 by 300. Okay, so this space and this space we have 80 centimeters. So it's enough. This space is enough to pass the duct from here. Okay, let's start now. Same, now our duct will go this direction, so make this line straight. Same there, we did 40 there and 40 here. Okay, the duct size is 65. Connect this line to this line, straight line, straight line. And now we have to take our duct this direction like this, and then we have 65, make offset 65. Okay, now we need elbow here, 90 elbow. For 90 elbow, how to make 90 elbow, I have video before in my old videos. If you want to see how to make 90-degree elbow, you can see there, but here I'm gonna teach you very short. This duct size is 65. 65 divided into 4, 65 divided into 4. So this is our fillet radius, so 16.25. F enter, R enter. I use only 16, not a problem. Offset 65 like this. This is our 90-degree elbow, correct 90-degree elbow. So when the factory will fabricate, they will make this much length of our elbow. Okay, so this is the professional way to make elbow. Now in this area, what I will do, I will make a diffuser here, square diffuser here, square diffuser. I'm sorry. So I already keep a diffuser here, one supply, one return. So I want to throw 400 or 300 cfm. So I will use the diffuser size here, 45 by 45 or 450 by 450 millimeter. Okay, so how many cfm I want to throw here? 300 cfm only. Make it in the center. So if I want 300 cfm, we have to need duct size as per 300. So make write your duct size here first, so that we have an idea for the next. This is 650 by 300, and how many cfm we have here? 1600. Sorry, here we write down wrong. Yeah, like this you can keep. Here also you can give space, 1600 cfm. So here I want to throw how many cfm I want to throw? 300 cfm only in this part. Okay, so for 300 cfm we need duct size as per 300 cfm. Go there, write down 300 and reduce your duct height because this is very big. Okay, make it 10. So we can say 10 by 10, so 250 by 250. This duct size will be 250 by 250. So make offset 25, just shift a little bit there like this and close here, and then we will make a plenum here, and then we will make plenum here and we will connect this diffuser. Okay, make offset 15 cm here, make neck for this one. We need VCD also, that I will install later here. Okay, so write the duct size also here. This is 250, sorry, 250 by 250 or 25 centimeter by 25 centimeter. How many CFM we throw here? 300 CFM, like this. Shift inside. Okay, like this. So this is also done. Now we have 1600 CFM here, but 300 we throw here, and balance we have 1300 CFM here. So we need a reducer, and we need to change the duct size also. So now we have 1300 CFM here. I will use height same. Here is 12. Yeah, here also I will use 12. So now the duct size is 22. If we convert 22 into mm, that will be 55, 550. Okay, so make offset here also. Reducer, we have to make a reducer here. Make 40 centi reducer. This duct is little big. And then here I will prefer, yeah, one sided reducer only, not two-sided. So our duct size is 550. Make a line like this, straight line, 55, and remove this one. Make a line like this. We have to reduce duct size opposite side of the direction, because here we have supply. I mean the branch is there, so I will reduce the duct side opposite side. Okay, like this. Now we need here also bulkhead. Here also make it, here 70 centimeter is enough. Bulkhead, this is our recommendation. The interior company will see how much they required, but minimum is 70. They have to follow this one. Okay, now here I want one branch this direction and one branch this direction. Okay, so one supply here and one return here, one supply here, one return here, so that the air will be balanced. Okay, let's write the duct size here. What is the duct size here now? 550 by 300, and here we have 1300 CFM. Okay, now here we need one branch and here we need one branch. So we have to divide 1300 into 2, so we will get 650. Okay, 650 duct size here and 650 duct size here. So let's calculate your duct size. Here we need Y elbow. Okay, try to learn this one also. So duct size will be as per 650. So we can say 12 by 12, not a problem, 12 by 12. So 300 by 300 this direction, 300 by 300 this direction. So let's make like this. I make a line, offset 300, 300, like this. Here we have enough space. We can bring back a little bit, or we can take this same direction there also, like this. If you want, you can draw manually also. Okay, so 300 by 300. So now if we divide this 30 centimeter into 4, so what the value? 7.5. So here fillet will be 7.5. Here also the same value of the fillet we have to follow. F enter, R enter, 7.5. Make fillet here and fillet here. Yeah, now make offset. This is 300, same offset, make offset 300 and 300 here also. Remove the balance. This one also, oh sorry, it's going. So just make a reference line and trim it. Okay, just connect this line to this line, this line to this line. See carefully, like this. Trim and trim, and this line to this line. Okay, follow same radius here, 7.5 radius here, and offset 300, because our duct size is 300 by 300. Connect with this, Okay, now we need one supply here and one return here, one supply here, one return here. Okay, so how many CFM we have here? Let's write the supply description here and match with this one, same height of the text. Okay, we have here 650 CFM for each, 650 CFM for each here. Okay, so we have to calculate duct supply length as per 650 CFM. We will go to calculator. How many CFM we have? 650 multiply 650 divided by 745. This is the value from Airmaster, as I explained before. Enter, and this is the size we get in meters. Okay, this is 87, we can say 90 centimeter. Okay, or 900 mm. Okay, so this duct size supply size will be 900 by 150. So let's draw your supply here. Make a center line first, 45 this direction, 45 this direction. Okay, make a line, offset 10 centimeter outside, same we did before, and here also make offset 10 centi. So make a neck here like this, just to show like this. Trim and trim. Okay, just take this text, paste it here, and write the this branch size is 300 by 300 and 650 CFM we have here, 650 CFM, and same follow for the other branch also. Move little bit up, take a copy, rotate, move, make it in the center. Okay, just I don't want to make new one, I will use same one, but its direction will be opposite. Move and make it in the center of the room like this. Just align like this, extend this one like this. We have two supplies now, and close your duct up to here. Shift here. Now we need return grills. I take these two lines from the center, I make it there, then I make mirror here, line like this, then I take a copy for this one, deselect, rotate from the center to the center line, this here in the center. Okay, and now change the color like this, red color like this. If you can make dynamic block, that also great. You can increase decrease size easily. I take copy of the arrows, get here, and then rotate, make it here in the center. Then take this return arrows, apply here and here. Okay, that's it. Now this hall and this corridor also done. If you want to write the size here, let me write the size of this diffuser also. This diffuser size is 450 by 450. Okay, it's one number supply and one number return. So we have to write the diffuser SD square diffuser and RT mean return diffuser. How many CFM we have here? 300 CFM, and remove each because we have only one supply and one return here, like this. Okay, so this is also done. Now we need the liner should not be more than 3 meter, so I will make approximate up to here. Offset 2.5, offset like this, inside, and trim the extra and match with this line to this line. To this line. So this is our liner. So this is done, this is done. So these two machines are done. Here I want to teach you something technical. We need airtight partition. Offset 5 centimeter thick, so we can make it with hatch, and its name will be airtight partition. Why we need this one? We need here and here also, above the ceiling. This partition name is airtight partition. We make with gypsum partition above the ceiling. No, sorry, it's wrong here. It should be here. Why we need this partition here? Because when this machine will take return from here and here, so this machine needs, so that this machine will not disturb. If we did not make this one airtight partition, so this machine can take its return and this machine can take its return, so there will be crawl in between. So to avoid this one, we have to make airtight tight partition. Its name is airtight partition and it's above the ceiling. Okay, so we have to make this one. This is very technical, we need it. That's it. This is the balance areas: dining, kitchen, maid room, bedroom, and this we will do in the next lecture. For today it's enough, and wait for tomorrow for the other part also. So I will do full villa, the first floor also, then the machines outdoors also, and copper pipe also. Okay, for this project. Thank you.